Hello you beautiful people, welcome to a vlog style video. So today is day 7 of the Navratras and I am keeping a 9-day Navratri fast, and I thought for this video I'm going to do something different and show you guys what I eat through the day as part of my Navratri fasting. So well, today is the first day that I'm going to have 2 meals a day. So the first 3 days of the fast, it was an only fruit diet, and when I mean only fruits, I mean only fruits. It was nothing but fruits and lots of water. Day 4 to 6 were one fasting meal, which I'll explain what it is in a minute, and fruits. So early in the morning, not early, like around brunch time, we would have one meal. That's Nikhil and me, Nikhil, my husband and I. And then we would have fruits the rest of the day. And today onwards, for the next 3 days, we get to eat 2 fasting meals. So we're really very happy. So what is a fasting meal? A fasting meal is where you don't have the normal grains and pulses, the dals and the carbs that you usually have, and you substitute them with things like singade ka atta. Singade is water chestnut, kuttu ka atta and samak rice, and you make basically you substitute your carbs with these, and you use lots of green water-filled vegetables like lauki and pumpkin, kaddu, potatoes, sweet potato, arbi. So yeah, that is what we were eating. It's now 9:30 in the morning. I've been up since 5 o'clock in the morning. This is now what I'm going to show you is our breakfast. So let's have a look at it. So we're going to start off with some nuts that have been soaked overnight. We have some almonds, some peanuts, walnuts. Then we follow this with some cashews. I eat like 3-4 a day. Then here are some fresh as hell sprouts. This is moong dal sprouts and so beautiful. No? You don't think they're beautiful? Okay. This is some methi sprouts. We have some roasted seeds. In this we have watermelon seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin. Did I say pumpkin? I'm sure I'm forgetting something. Muskmelon seeds. Yeah, very very healthy. We have like a spoonful of this, and then we follow this up with some yummy dates. We have 2 each. We have this. So every day in the morning I make alkaline water. So I've put like a few pieces of cucumber, a slice of lemon in this water. Gonna let it sit for 4 hours, and then we will drink it later in the day. So basically that is what our breakfast is. We'll also follow this up with some fruit, and I will show you the fruit once we eat it. Guys, it's 12:10 p.m. and I'm gonna straight have brunch now. I normally would have had some fruit before brunch like I told you, but then today was a very rushed morning. I didn't get a chance to eat any fruit, and I was also not feeling hungry. So I have a rule that unless I'm feeling hungry, I'm not gonna eat. Usually I try and follow this rule. So since I wasn't hungry, I didn't wanna stuff myself with fruit unnecessarily. And also I have a shoot now at 12:30. So I know I'm not gonna get to eat brunch for at least till 3 or 4 p.m. if I don't eat it now. And I'll be miserable during the shoot. So I'm gonna eat quickly now, and let me show you what we have for lunch. So here is today's lunch thali. So we're having water chestnut flour rotis, that is singade ke atta ka roti. We're having some kaddu ki sabzi, which is pumpkin curry. Paneer ki sabzi, this is basically paneer and tomato. This is homemade paneer, guys. I made this paneer at home. And this is dahi, curds, which I set in the morning after getting up. Normally this place that you see that's empty here is filled with a lot of salad, but today I'm already running like really late. Like I said, I have a shoot now, and I also have to finish scripting for that shoot. So yeah, cutting corners today, not having the salad, but this is what I'm gonna eat. I am so grateful for this food. I can't wait to eat it. But before I eat it, I want to show you guys something. This is basically what I've been using to cook the meals during the Navratri fasting. This is sendha namak, rock salt. This is kuttu ka atta. I don't know if you can see it. Kuttu ka atta. This is singade ka atta, and this is samak rice. Basically, yeah, this is what. So these foods are supposed to be pacifying for your digestive fire. It's supposed to pacify your digestive fire. It's supposed to be a good time of the year to eat this kind of food, to kind of reset your eating patterns, to get going on that healthy journey, and that's what this is all about. Okay, now I'm really hungry. I'm gonna start eating. Just finished the shoot. I am really tired. It's like 4:15 in the afternoon, early evening. I am ready to have some fruit, and of course I'm gonna take you beauties on that fruit journey of mine just now. Let's go. So this is what we're going to have now. We're gonna drink some coconut water, yum. Gonna have a banana and a custard apple. Nice fruit break. And this is some sabudana that I've soaked in water earlier this day. Gonna make sabudana khichdi with potato for our dinner this evening. Dinner, guys, sabudana khichdi with a lot of moongfali in it, lot of groundnuts in it. We love having that little crunch in our sabudana khichdi. We're gonna have this with some nice and fresh hari chutney, which is dhania and pudina chutney, mint and coriander chutney, again made with rock salt, not normal salt, and some dahi, some curds. Always good to nicely balance the meal. I'm really excited to eat it. This is the first time in like 7 days we're having a second meal on the same day. I'm really happy for this meal. So yeah, that's dinner for today. What I didn't get to show you guys on this vlog is that, you know, sometimes I also have a glass of milk during the day, or maybe some makhanas roasted in homemade ghee and, you know, Maggi masala in it. Very tasty, very healthy. Today was a rush day, and plus I think after doing the fast for 6 days, we're not feeling so hungry these days. We're not eating as much in quantity as we used to before. So yeah, generally I'm not eating a lot of the things that I would before. So all the meals today were cooked only in homemade desi Gir cow wala ghee, and with hardly any spices. The only spices that we eat during the Navratri fasting is jeera. So basically we've, yeah, just jeera, rock salt and the food. It's actually pretty tasty, wouldn't you say? I mean, like, these dishes, we are surprisingly finding it pretty tasty. No onion, no garlic, which we normally do eat, but for the sake of this fast we're not eating it.
I am a second. It definitely makes things tastier.
Seriously?
Yeah. You're not finding it like a little bland or a little...
I think I'm just happy that I'm getting to eat food at this point more than anything else. And surprised, yeah, I'm actually finding it pretty tasty. I guess because I'm not really thinking about the stuff that we're not putting in it.
No, I'm not thinking about it either. I didn't even know what is happening behind the scene.
But now when I'm telling them is when you heard this is what is happening. Also, it makes the cooking process so much easier. You don't have to chop the bloody onions and peel the bloody garlic and like throw 10 masalas, reach all over the kitchen, like, you know. So okay, we're gonna eat our meal, and I loved having you guys on this journey. I hope you liked it too. I don't know what else to say.
Bye bye.
Okay, alright. It's been a while since I've done a vlog, so I don't know how to end this. Hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. I hope you're safe and you're happy, and I will see you again on Tuesday with a brand new video. Until then, you take care. Bye.
Bye.
You also do this.
Bye.
No!
This is my style.
This is going on loop now. Bye.